Hey traders, it's Roberto again, and this is the follow-up on the FX advisory indicator. Previous recording I was showing you buy and sell signals based on what the advisory indicator display is telling me. It's telling me to get in, for example, this trade on Aussie dollar. Everything is green, look to buy. And now it's hitting a level of resistance. Most likely I'll exit the trade. I'm only trying to capture 10 or 20 pips on each of these pairs. So here all the pound yen is looking to turn south. So I'm going to wait till the 1 hour time frame is showing red, and I'll go ahead and sell it. So let's look at the account and see how many trades I'm up. Market's moving quickly. So I've got 13 pips, 14 pips, 14 pips here. So most likely I'm going to close out these trades and in less than an hour. And I'm waiting for the others to turn green. They all have about 10, 20, 30 pip stop losses. And I'm only trying to capture between 10 and 20 pips on each of these. Okay. Again, we're looking for buying and selling opportunities based on the advisory indicator. The advisory indicator will tell us when it's okay to get into the trade. So everything is lining up on several of these pairs. Gold most likely will continue to rally. Looks like it's gonna break the recent resistance, yesterday's resistance level, and it'll keep going up. Okay. Again, if you have any questions on the advisory indicator, it's very simple to use. You just have to download it to your MT4 platform and follow the instructions. And I have several tutorials and advanced tutorials on how to trade this. So again, if you have any questions, email me. Thanks for watching again.